Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to customize pages on Shopify. Let's get right into it. To access the Pages section, head over to your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand side menu, go to Online Store. This will first open up the Theme section, but there are also multiple sub-menu items. The section we're looking for is Pages. Inside this section, you'll find all your existing pages, and you can use the search or filter options at the top to quickly locate any of them. To create a new page, look at the top right and click Add Page. This will open the page editor. Here you can start by entering a title. For example, if you want to make an About Us page, simply type that in. In the content area, you can add text, images, and other elements to design the page how you want. Shopify also includes a Generate Text button, which can automatically create placeholder content for you. For instance, if I were creating an About Us page for a shoes store, I could use this feature to generate content and keep it. After adding content, you'll see a search engine preview showing how your page will appear on Google. You can adjust the title, description, and URL here for SEO purposes. On the top right, you'll also find visibility settings, allowing you to publish the page immediately or set it to appear at a specific date, which is useful for time-sensitive promotions. Below that, there's the theme template option. By default, it will be a standard page template, but depending on what apps you've installed, you might see additional templates like Contact. The page editor functions just like a standard text editor, so you can bold text, resize headings, create lists, or insert media such as images and videos. When uploading images, you can align them, move them around, and format the page as needed. Once you're satisfied, click Save in the top right, and the page will be created. You can then preview it by selecting the View button to see how it looks live. Editing an existing page is just as simple. Go back to your list of pages, click on the one you want to edit. Let's say the About Us page we just made, and you can make any changes, such as removing sentences, bolding text, or even renaming the title to something like About Us Camping Store. Once edited, just save it again to apply the changes. Clicking it shows the page we created, making it easy for customers to access. And that's it. Thank you for watching.